One request I sometimes get is for beginner level changes you can make to start living more sustainably. So in this video, I'm going to go over 7 basic zero waste swaps you can make for the new year. Hey y'all, hey, it's Ashley Renne and welcome back to my little corner of the world where I show you sustainable and plant-based ways to have a smarter, healthier, and greener life. Today's video goes over some easy swaps you can make to make your household greener. Before we dive in, I really want to thank EC30 for sponsoring today's video. I've been using their eco-friendly cleaning and body care products for a few months now, and I'm actually really impressed. There are a lot of companies nowadays who are greenwashing their messaging by saying they're eco-friendly when they're really only doing the bare minimum. But EC30 is not like that. So they go way beyond the whole anti-plastic movement. They've taken big steps towards carbon neutral cleaning. They've removed water and unnecessary ingredients from their products. And they created these swatches that actually dissolve in water, so when you add water to them, and it eliminates the need for plastic bottles. Fun fact, most liquid cleaning products consist mostly of just water. You're paying for bottles of water with some cleaning ingredients mixed in. So it's a huge deal that they've removed water from their products and are just giving you the ingredients. Okay, now let's dive into these zero waste swap ideas. Number 1, reusable straws. Last year I did a beach cleanup and straws were the second most littered item. It's estimated that Americans use 500 million straws every day, and most of those end up in our oceans, polluting the water and killing marine life. So instead of disposable plastic straws, opt for reusable ones. Some popular materials are silicone, stainless steel, glass, and bamboo. I even have a portable straw that I can travel with. It's right on my keychain. Number 2, reusable food storage bags. Did you know 8 million tons of plastic enter the oceans every year? So why don't you switch your sandwich bags out with reusable food bags? You can just put your food in there and then wash them out when you're done. For example, if you pack lunch for your kids every day, think about how many of those little plastic storage bags you're using once and then just throwing it away every single day. Some popular materials for reusable bags include food-safe BPA-free material and food-grade silicone. Number 3, reusable glass bottles. I particularly love reusable glass bottles for cleaning. As I said earlier, most liquid cleaning products are composed of just water. So I like using waterless cleaners like EC30 to make my own. If you make the switch to waterless cleaners, you can just put the solution into your glass bottle, fill it up with water, give it a shake, and start cleaning. This will cut down on your carbon footprint and your use of plastic cleaning products. Number 4, plastic-free shampoo and conditioner. Another way to cut down on plastic is by switching to waterless hair care. My 2 favorite eco-friendly options are shampoo and conditioner bars and shampoo and conditioner swatches. Both of these options eliminate the need for traditional liquid shampoo and conditioner that come in plastic bottles. With the swatches from EC30, I just add water to them, lather it up, and then spread it throughout my hair. Keep in mind, if your hair is thicker or longer than mine, you'll probably need to use 2 swatches. Number 5, reusable shopping bags. Plastic bans are getting more and more popular around the world, and for good reason. So reusable shopping bags are handy to have. I use them in a variety of situations. Not only do I take these to the grocery store, I also bring them with me when I travel so that when I'm souvenir shopping or picking up food at local markets, I have the ability to refuse to use plastic shopping bags. Number 6, reusable produce bags. When I first started using large reusable bags for my groceries, I completely forgot about small bags for my fruits and veggies. At first, I just tossed my produce into my cart, but I wanted to keep them all organized. So I bought organic produce bags and problem solved. No more plastic for each bundle of fruits, veggies I buy, and no more scattered fruits and veggies in my shopping cart. Number 7, reusable cupcake liners. Swap out disposable paper cupcake liners for reusable silicone ones. Sure, paper liners are cheap, but those coins add up over a lifetime, wasting your money while creating landfill waste at the same time. Why keep buying them when you can just reuse the same ones over and over? Plus, they're colorful and cute and one less thing to put on your grocery list when you're ready to bake. And if you have a fur baby, you can use these to make cupcakes. I hope these ideas help you, especially leading into the new year as we're coming up with new goals on how to make our homes healthier, smarter, and more sustainable. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more sustainable lifestyle and tech videos headed your way. Until next time, stay green, y'all.